Okay, let's start up. Hi, this is Jim and Jerry,
And today we're going to be giving you a tour of our home,
our new home.
right behind us, as we can see right there.
Reflections, yay!
Yeah. So, okay, so we're going to step inside here.
Welcome to our abode, our home
Yeah.
on wheels.
So the first thing that you notice is that we got a lot of floor space. The two opposing slides really open things up so that there's a lot of room back in here for a 34-foot travel trailer. And we are going to just walk through this and take us through the kitchen area.
Okay, got microwave, we got an oven, got a 3-burner, so we can do a lot of cooking. Refrigerator with freezer. Storage for my dishes and pots and pans. My island has all storage too for all kinds of stuff. Love my island. I do all the chopping, my veggies, onions, all that. We have an Instant Pot that I use about every day for cooking meals.
Mm-hmm.
And our Berkey for purifying our water, because we love our Berkey for having good tasting water.
Yeah, I'll just throw in there. Reputedly, you can put pond water in here and get good water out of it. We haven't tried that,
I don't think
we'll just trust them that that's true. But for us, it gives us the same quality of water out all the time, and it's really good. And it tastes like water's supposed to.
We love it. You don't have to go out and buy bottled water all the time, which can get a lot of expense and trouble. So we got our big TV for entertainment, and we got our fireplace. In the mornings when it's chilly, I can pop that on and get toasty.
Yeah, obviously it's an electric fireplace.
Yeah.
So it's pretty to look at when we have it on, but it's also a 15,000 BTU heater. So on mornings when it's just a little bit cool and you don't want to kick on the big furnace, that works out fine.
Yeah.
So coming on around here,
We got our couch. It makes into a queen size bed. Lots of storage above. We get all our things, and there's little ends so you can put storage also. Our 2 big old lazy boys. When we're watching our movies, we can kick back and relax. They're so comfy you can go to sleep. It's the movie, but they're really great. We got a table and chairs. That was something we wanted beside the banquet. It just sits better. And we have to entertain people. We can kind of move the chairs out and have 6 to 8 people in here. So it's very nice to have the chairs. More comfortable when doing the computer. Like I said, we use that about every day.
Yeah. Now you don't often see a 27-inch iMac in a travel trailer, but we decided that we would bring this computer along with us rather than a laptop because, well, we didn't own a laptop and we had the desktop here. It's really helpful planning out our trips. We have maps up and campground reviews. So coming on around, we have the hutch or the pantry.
Lots of food. So that's what we enjoy. You could go to the grocery store and have a lot of, not have to run every day because you've got room to put your storage of food.
Okay.
All right. Can we move on down to the bathroom?
Sure.
Open the door.
All right. First thing you see is a bunch of vitamins and stuff like that. We put that rack up there on the door here just not too long ago. So as we step in, you see the first of 2 medicine cabinets that we have, and a sink you can actually wash your face in, our shower, and the requisite RV toilet, of course, down there, and then a second medicine cabinet. That all this is coming in very handy. All right, so we're going to come back out, and we're going to close the door, and we'll walk back in here.
And our big bed, got a queen size, lots of storage above. His and hers closet. And this one's for all our jackets and big shoes and boots because we ride a motorcycle, so we need that.
Yeah, and a couple of drawers under it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's also storage under the bed as well. Sharon mentioned jackets. We do ride a motorcycle, so we've probably got quite a bit of riding jackets. Each of us has got a couple of different riding jackets for depending on what the situation is, whether it's warm, hot, wet, whatever.
And our boots.
And our boots, of course, and all that.
They're all set.
Okay, I think that's everything inside, so from here we will go outside. Okay, this is the outdoor kitchen area. So open, it shows we've got a little refrigerator over there on the side. And this guy turns into a cooktop, little 2-burner cooktop. Now this area was an outdoor entertainment area. This spot here in the center did have a television on it. Actually, it's the television we now have in the bedroom. But we could not see ourselves sitting out here watching television, so I've turned it into, this is my tool room. So basically, you can see that I've got some supplies up here sitting on the shelf, and then in the drawers, here are tools. And this is the bay. This bay actually goes all the way through, although you can see that we are getting ready to move, so tomorrow morning. So this is actually already packed up. So there's a lot of stuff in here already. On the back of the rig, you can see that we have a back porch. This unit that attaches to the back hitch, and that contains 2 Yamaha generators and some supplies. This is also the ladder back there, and way up here at the top, where you can't see it necessarily all that well, is our rear view safety rear view camera. So that's on there so that from the cab of the truck we can see what's going on back here behind the rig whenever we're traveling. Just a quick word about our truck. We have an F350 diesel long bed dually. This truck has got a 6.4 liter diesel in it, and this is what we use obviously to pull the trailer. The reason we went with the long bed was so that we could get the motorcycle in the back. Now you can see the bike is covered because of the rain. We got it loaded yesterday since heavy rain is in the forecast yet for today. But we'll go through how we get the motorcycle in and out of the bed another time. Just real briefly, we use a Rampage bike lift to get the bike in there. And it's a real slick mechanism, and we will go through how that works another time. Okay, so that is a walkthrough of our home, and next time we're going to be putting up a video on the operation of the Rampage bike lift. So that'll be something I think a lot of you will find interesting to see how that thing actually works. So if you enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. And until next time, thanks a lot. We'll see you later.
Bye. Yeah. Oh, am I supposed to do that?
Yeah. So, you want to introduce us? Say hi. This is Jim and Sharon.
Oh, okay. Let's start up.
F350 long bed dually 6.4 liter diesel. Okay, we are recording. So,
Hi. Jim and Sharon. Just the 2 of us. Yep, I didn't do the talking. My voice is squeaky.
Your voice is squeaky? Okay, all right, won't do that.